Bonjour. Mwen te gen yon epis la. It's all finished. I get an fini. So, jodi am deside pou m fè epis la. I'm gonna make the Haitian spice. As you can see, I have my green onions, which I have chopped already. I have washed and cleaned everything several times, just to make sure that there are no dirt in there. Just first you keep adding dirt, ma'am. To clean, I wash it, I soak it in water. Also, I found those elephant garlic, which they don't smell like garlic. So I've also used the smaller ones, the regular garlic, and you see I cut the big ones. Those are chunky, but they don't smell like garlic at all. And I have some sweet mini peppers, mini poivron doux. So I will say onion vert, green onions, sweet mini peppers, mini poivron doux. I have parsley, I have cilantro, and I have scotch bonnet qui c'est piment piqué. And m'gen, you know, garlic, m'gen el, l'ail. So c'est ça mwen pa l'utiliser. And m'a utiliser un petit olive oil pour m'pa kaze blender ya. This is the blender I will be using. So m'pa kaze blender ya, so m'a mette un petit olive oil pour ka bien mash, pour ka bien blender. And at any point, if I feel the need to put more garlic, which I love garlic, so I might add a little bit more garlic, and you could add as much as anything as you want. It's all based on what you like. I have small kids, so I don't use a lot of hot peppers because I do use it when I make Haitian dish or even manger américain fait, moi mette là-dedans. So m'a pas blender tout bagay, m'a pas ajouter ti l'huile là, songez avant pour blender tout bagay ou laver yo et puis ou mettre dans blender. Très important. M'a montrer nous résultat en après. You can adjust the blender the way you want it. If you want it very refined, you can do it. If not, you could, you know, use the different settings pour faire as fine as you would like. Si vous voulez ajouter, vous pouvez retirer tête là et vous laguer là-dedans. So c'est comme ça lié. You can stop. You can stop once you have the consistency that you want. This is what it's like. You know, gen moun ki fè yo tout jan. So kounya li fini, mwen prêt pour mal mette li nan yon bagay plastique, mwen recycle. So mwen lave, ça c'est garlic qui te là-dedans. So mwen lave bouteille là bien lavé, make sure ou lave li bien lavé et puis mwen mette dans ça, but mwen gen l'autre bouteille tout que mwen utiliser comme ça mwen fait en pile, so ça trop petit, so mwen mette dans différents different jars. So you could use as much as you can, or ou ka fait valer ou vle. So it all depends on you. Gen moun ki mette sel, but c'est comme ça maman te kon fè li, so c'est comme ça moi même moi fè pam nan. Like, comment, let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know. Thank you.